Hello and welcome to Scriptcase by Jamie. That is me, your host, and of course I am here to help you with everything Scriptcase. That is setup, installation, licenses, configurations, projects, development, whatever it is you need within Scriptcase, I am there. You just need to let me know. Or of course, you can go ahead and visit ScriptcaseByJamie.com. That is where you will find the spinning wheel of fortune where you can win up to 35% off the Scriptcase by Jamie membership. And what does the membership include? Well, let's have a look here. By clicking here on the website, you can check out the join button, and viewing that, you can join Captain Scriptcase, as it says, and become a valuable member. Now, membership includes cutting edge tools and resources. Well, that would essentially be Scriptcase, and I will be helping you with everything with that. So if you need help, you just need to let me know. Some expert guidance and support. If I can't help you, I know where to go to. That you can believe. Okay, so on top of that, I also show you within the knowledge base how you can make the most out of Scriptcase. That is not only with scripts and snippets and additional bits and pieces like that. There are some important tips that I have only added there. So do be sure to check that out if you are a member. And if not, well, of course, join. So other than that, you will also have the opportunity to network and collaborate with other like-minded developers or business people, because of course in the majority of cases it's not developers that come across Scriptcase, it's developers that use it. The business people or the managers and directors of all those companies out there, you are of course the typical type that come across Scriptcase and think that it is good for your business. And I can tell you, Scriptcase is good for your business in many ways. Okay, you may not be Google, and at some point you want to get there. And at some point you can, well, arrange for hand coding of all of your applications so that everything is the way you want it. But until then, Scriptcase is your solution. And with the Scriptcase by Jamie membership, well, Scriptcase only gets better. So you have 3 options for the membership. You can become a personal monthly member, and with that you just pay $6.99, and of course with 35% off, well, that makes quite a bit of a difference. And with that you gain full access to my personal knowledge base, as well as partial access to the complete Scriptcase by Jamie knowledge base. Now I say partial access, and that is of course because there is content in there which has taken a great deal of time, and well, you could have that in no time at all. So as a yearly member, that way I guarantee at least you also get the best of both worlds. Okay, so as a personal yearly member, you pretty much get everything. In fact, you do get everything. You get more than everybody. So with that, you gain access to all of the projects that I create right here on this channel. Now, one of those you may have been seeing lately, and that is the customer client platform. And of course, right now it's pretty basic, or maybe not anymore, because I have already made some changes and adjustments to that. So keep watching this channel to find out what is coming up next. And with that, or should I say with the yearly membership, you also have access to free templates and themes which have been added to the store. So whenever new templates and themes have been added, one of that group will be added to the knowledge base. So right now it's just one set there. More sets will be added as time goes by, and I can tell you the membership is much more important to me than this channel. So if you want to join, make sure you join there, and that is of course where you get further discounts as a member of Scriptcase by Jamie. If you have a project that you want to work on, then in that case you may want to have a consultation, some training, or even some development. And in those cases, well, you also receive discount as a full member. So do check that out. And when I say 30% off everything, I really do mean everything. Okay, so with that, You may be wondering, well, what is the knowledge base all about? And the knowledge base, well, within the knowledge base, you have a ton of information. So you have here, first of all, just initially the best start series. And following the advice I have within these few articles, well, you will have no problems within Scriptcase. You will advance much faster than anybody else not having this information. That I can guarantee you. And on top of that, within other sections such as the introduction, you can learn more about Scriptcase, what it's all about if you really want to. You have more guides on installations as well as further information on the applications. Now, I have not taken anything from the Scriptcase knowledge base. Everything here has been meticulously created for this knowledge base and of course for you, so that you gain the most with both knowledge bases hand in hand. Okay, with that you have many other guides, tips and best practices, macros, scripts and so much more. It really is pretty crazy. And of course in here you have a ton of information. It is more than a year's long of information for you to read for sure. And if not, well, don't worry. That is also a continuous work in progress, because just like Scriptcase, I will also be applying updates and upgrades as we go along within the membership, and of course sweetening the deal and making it better for you. And don't forget that there is also the community.scriptcasebyjamie.com. So here, of course, you can join for free and access the basic channels where, of course, we can have some open discussions about tech, geek stuff, anything you love or hate about Scriptcase. Or, of course, there is also an open channel so you can also discuss anything you want. And that is, of course, included for anybody that wants to join. For full members, you, of course, gain access to all the channels where you can also directly chat with me as well as see what is happening within Scriptcase by Jamie, where I do also every so often post some updates for you so you know what is happening right here with Scriptcase by Jamie. So I think that is pretty much it today. Yes, just a very short video on what you can expect from the membership, promoting the membership, of course, because, well, the more members we have, the better it is for everybody. And with that, of course, the more I can also add. And at the same time, I hope you are enjoying the content on the channel, because, of course, it is a lot of work going into some of these videos, and some of them, honestly, I do just record on the cuff. So it's not really as difficult as one may seem, and some of them, yes, a little more so. But that is all great, and I actually enjoy creating these just for you so that you can also learn more about Scriptcase. So make sure you check out the channel, Scriptcase by Jamie. Check out the website. Don't forget we also have socials going there. There's Instagram, there is LinkedIn, there is Facebook. On those, I'm just posting up and coming information, as well as the odd tips and tricks, as well as the odd joke and a little bit of humor to go along with it. So I think we are at the end of the show today. So thank you very much for watching, and until the next video. And of course, don't forget to comment, like, hit the subscribe button, and come back tomorrow. Okay, and with that, thank you very much for watching, and until the next video.